Hello, my name is Muhammad Fahim bin Zulkifli. My metric number is E22B0047. So today, I want to present about life cycle of butterflies, which is holometabolous. So, enjoy this video slide presentation from me. So in this slide, I will tell how butterflies and their source of eggs. Butterflies are insects that belong to the order of Lepidoptera, which is also includes moths. They are characterized by their colorful wings and a unique life cycle that undergoes complete metamorphosis. So, what is their source of eggs? Butterflies lay their eggs on specific host plants that cater to the dietary needs of their larvae. Each butterfly species has its preferred host plants, and the choice of plant is often crucial for the survival of the developing caterpillar. So, the female butterfly carefully selects a suitable location on the host plant to lay her eggs. So, in the next slides, I will tell how description of butterfly's eggs. First is structure. Butterfly eggs are typically small, often resembling tiny spheres or cylinders. The size and shape vary among species, and they can be round, oval, and cylindrical. The color of the eggs also varies, ranging from white to yellow, green, or even metallic hues. The outer surface of the egg may have intricate patterns or sculpted structures. Next is the eggs protection. To protect the eggs from predators and environmental conditions, butterflies have evolved various strategies. Some species deposit their eggs on the underside of leaves, making them less visible and more sheltered. Others use special adhesive to attach the egg securely to the plant surface. So for the next is development. The butterfly egg is the first stage in the life cycle and contain the genetic information needed for the development of the butterfly morphology. Within the egg, the embryo undergoes cell division and differentiation, eventually forming the larva or caterpillar. Next is a degree of sculpturing and ornamentation. First one is scale structure. Butterfly scales can have diverse structures, including simple flat scales, hair-like scale which is stay, and modified scales that form distinct shapes, such as spines or scarp patterns. The arrangement and overlap of scales create intricate patterns and texture on the wings. Next is sexual dimorphism. In this butterfly species, there is a degree of sexual dimorphism when males and females exhibit different wing patterns or coloration. This can be a form of visual communication for male recognition. So in the next slide is patterns of oviposition for my butterfly, which is eggs deposited in batch. What is eggs deposited in batch? So for their characteristic in this butterfly pattern, female butterflies lay multiple eggs in a cluster or batch on the same host plant. Then the eggs are often laid close together, forming a group. So what the advantage of eggs when eggs deposited in batch? So the advantage is ovipositing in batches can be a strategy for maximizing reproductive success. If conditions are suitable and the host plant is abundant, a female can deposit a larger number of eggs in a shorter time. This pattern might be advantageous when the risk of predation is relatively low or when the host plant can support a higher density of larvae. For the next slide is ancillary structures for my butterflies. The anchors, these butterfly species have evolved specialized structures on their eggs to anchor them securely to the substrate, such as leaves or stem or host plants. Anchors can take the form of small projections, threads, or structures that penetrate the surface of the substrate, preventing the eggs from being dislodged easily by wind or other environmental factors. Next is the purpose of anchors is to enhance the stability and protection of the eggs, reducing the risk of damage or desiccation. In this slide, I will present about the description of the morphology. First one, when they are eggs, butterfly eggs are usually small, often spherical or oval, and may have intricate patterns or scalloped surface. The size, shape, and color vary among species. So when they become a caterpillar or larva, the caterpillar is the feeding stage. It has a segmented body with three pairs of through legs on the thorax and additional prolapse on the abdomen. It is often cylindrical and covered with tiny hairs or spines. So, when they become a pupa, the pupa is the transitional stage between the larva and the adult. It forms inside a protective structure called a chrysalis or cocoon. And next, when they become an adult, which is butterfly, the adult butterfly has three main body parts, which is head, thorax, and abdomen. It has two pairs of wings covered with scales, a pair of antennae, and 6 legs. So, in this slide is a feeding habits when a four phase of the butterfly's life cycle. The first one is eggs, which is eggs don't eat. They are like a tiny homes for baby butterflies. So in the eggs phase, they don't eat. When they become caterpillars or larvae, caterpillars are loved to eat, which is they munch on leaves from their favorite plants. Then they become a pupa. When they become a pupa, they know it here. Caterpillars transforms into adults inside a cozy cocoon or chrysalis. When they become an adult, which is a butterfly, they drink nectar with their long straw-like tongues. It's like sipping on sweet flower juice to power their flights and make baby butterflies. So please enjoy the picture and the video recording of butterflies life cycle.